In the ICU, what happens overhead shapes everything below. Yet too often, ceiling systems are planned separately, booms and lifts, each in its own workflow. That fragmentation can introduce complexity in design, installation coordination, and long-term adaptability. And in critical care environments, coordination matters. That's where Libo comes in. Libo integrates ceiling-mounted booms and patient lifts into a single system, supporting coordinated infrastructure planning while aligning with daily ICU needs. Built with ICU workflows in mind, Libo integrates overhead infrastructure without changing how clinicians care for their patients today, supporting familiar patient transfers like seated transfers, lateral transfers, limb lifting, and boosting. Libo delivers integration without the confusion, helping optimize overhead space while supporting evolving ICU environments. Coordination above, confidence below. Meet Libo,